Ang topic today ay, ano ba yan? Teka,
Girl,
basa.
basahin mo.
Haba ng topic ko, sorry, career existential crisis in your 30s.
Ayan.
Actually, hindi naman siya 30s, pero more on like, kasi, of course, based on tita's experience nga, so, more on, age group namin yung inaano namin. Pero
Mm.
pwede rin siya, like, probably on your 20, pag nung 25 kayo. Um, Paano ba to? Kasi, parang, paano ba natin sisimulan to? So, um, papa, napapaisip tuloy ako.
Actually, parang tama lang naman yung title mo kaso hindi mo nabanggit yung isa.
Ano yung
When
isa?
success doesn't feel successful. So, sapat lang na
Oo, may
30s
subtitle
natin
pala ako
tinatapos.
nilagay nun. Oo.
Oo.
Yun, nakalimutan ko lagay. Nakalimutan ko na sinulat ko pala yun.
Mm.
Kasi may notes din ako sa phone ko. Kasi si Ash nakalagay din sa phone niya yung mga topics niya. Tapos ako, meron din
Gumawa
ako
siyang
mga...
sarili.
Kasi yung mga topics niya, hayop siya. So, kasi, back in the day, like, probably when I was 20s, yung pinaka-career goal ko is parang, I wanted to be, like, probably a lead or a manager. Tapos, parang,
Sa
syempre.
IT, same industry pa rin
Yes,
naman.
same industry. When I was like around early
Okay.
early career time ko. So parang
Mm.
I wanted to be up there or I want to manage people and things like that. Tapos nung medyo tumatanda na ako and then nagiging senior na yung role ko. Tapos nakikita ko na yung mga trabaho ng, of course, ng mga lead. Tapos tumatanggi na ako sa mga lead opportunities. Ang naisip ko, do I really want to do this job?
Pero ang tanong is, sa current role mo ngayon, do you feel successful na?
What do you
Like,
mean? Being
satisfied ka na
unemployed?
ba
Char?
dun?
What do you mean being unemployed?
Hindi, syempre gagi. Yung bilang
Gago
senior,
sarcastic.
QA.
No, yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say so. I mean, sabi nila, like, I mean, I've worked with a lot of people and then they've been working with me and then they would applaud me on things that I know. Tapos yung mga knowledge na naipapasa ko sa kanila, especially do sa mga mini-mentor ko nga na junior QAs or mga manual QAs na inaano ko sa automation. Pero for me, parang probably 2 years ago, I would say like parang I thought I was up there already. I thought I could like compete already, and then parang naisip ko, do I really want this? Is this really the way to go? Parang hustle ng hustle. I do understand na hindi naman lahat ng work is toxic. I mean, I wasn't even in a toxic what do you call this
Workplace.
company? Yeah, workplace back
Mm.
then, but still, I feel like I'm not I'm not happy with what
Fulfilled.
I'm not
Mm.
happy, I'm not fulfilled, and I don't like to do this in the long run. I don't want to be doing this up until like probably I'm 40s, which is really near, just saying. Medyo malapit na. So parang sabi ko, ito ba talaga yung gusto kong career? I mean, it's a weird existential crisis because I'm already there. Nasa 40s, magpo-40s na ako, pero I don't know.
Ano ba measurement mo ng success sa career? Paano mo masabi na, okay.
I
Okay
mean,
na, I've made it.
isa pa yan because back then when I was a kid, I would say like, pag I am successful if I was like probably in a higher position and things like that. If I, diba? So when I was a kid, like I was almost like conditioned by my family, especially my dad, to be like a manager, to be like in the probably like C-suite. Um, that's why I was looking at Filipinos who are thriving actually sa C-suite position because I'm not seeing anyone. I'm seeing a lot of Indians sa Google. They are thriving. Nagiging CTO sila, nagiging CEO sila, nagiging COO sila, but I don't see any Filipinos doing that. Even though we're so good, like we're good at our trade, like we're good at our careers, but
You're
I don't.
talking about big companies, no? Kasi kung dito
Yeah,
lang marami namang Pinoy na
yeah, of
CEO,
course,
hindi
big
yung mga
companies.
wannabe.
Yeah, big companies, of course. Kasi isipin mo, like, si, ano nga, just sa Google, like I said, he
Mm.
graduated from India. He had his
Mm.
master's in the US. I mean, he started really in India. I mean, everyone started from the Philippines, but hindi natin nakikita yung sarili natin there. We're not thriving there. I don't know why.
Eh, ikaw ba sa mo nakikita yung sarili mo?
I don't see myself as well. I don't see myself as well there. I don't like it. I don't want to be a responsible. I think responsible for those people. Yung parang I don't want to be responsible for the employees or like the business. If I would be responsible about something, it would be something that I would love to do. And na naman tayo sa shrimp farming na.
Ipasok mo yan.
Shrimp farming. I mean, I've been wanting to do farming, like in general, like probably yung farm na,
Kailan mo pa yan naisip?
yung farm, yung sa shrimp farm, probably ano yan, mga nag-start lang nung pandemic. Pero paano-ano lang, paunti-unti lang. Pero yung farming talaga, I've been thinking about that ever since probably nung ano, let's say, nung nag, na ako sa Google, no, medyo nakakuha na ako ng mataas-taas na sahod. And I was thinking of, like, buying a house in Tagaytay and then, like, planting pineapple, and then buying, like, kaso lang yung mga nakita ko mga before doon is yung mga lang, untitled, tapos untitled, and parang bayad lang yung tax declaration lang. So medyo alanganin ako. I don't know anything about buying land back then anyway. And my mom, she passed already. Siya lang naman yung nakakaalam about everything na sa trade na yon. So I don't know.
So, kung may farm ka ngayon, doon mo masabi na, okay, I've made it.
I would
Ganun.
say so. If not farm, parang something that I like doing rather than,
Which is, medyo
yeah,
madami yan, girl.
no, anything that I love to do. Anything talaga, as in anything. Kasi I would say parang, yeah, I do like this IT side, but I don't know. Hindi siya ganun ka-fulfilling for me. What
Kasi
ab-
talaga yun.
what about you? Do you have any?
Ay, nako, alam niyo na to, dati pa. Gusto ko talagang magbanda. Like,
Yeah.
siguro sa iba, lang, like napakababaw. Pero masaya na ako kung maging trabaho ko is sa cruise ship, musician doon. Okay na ako doon. Ta-travel ako, tapos nakatugtog ako. Yun yung masabi ko na, yes, I've made it.
Oo, diba? Oo. It's not a bad, like, a retirement job type thing. Pero, ayun lang. Wala lang.
Retirement, girl, parang medyo nakakapagod yung sa gusto ko.
Uy, ang daming mga matatanda na nagre-retire sa cruise ship.
As in, dun sila nag-work?
I mean, doon sila nakatira. Pero kung nagbabanda ka, you're loving
Girl,
it ba?
work. Hindi ko sure kung like may energy. Alam mo yun kasi inisip ko kasi nga tumatanda na. If I still have the energy to do it. Kasi syempre,
Tumatanda na. Wait lang po, guys. Wala pa kaming 40s. Makasabi kami na tumatanda na kami. Pero yeah, wala pa
Pero
kaming
kasi,
40s. Pero I'm getting there. Oh.
gagi ilang tumbling na lang. Malapit na rin ako dun. May lamok. Pero ayun, ang hirap magbabanda ka, gabi-gabi kang night shift ka, girl. Alam mo naman, ayun na ayaw ko ng night shift.
Oh, that's true. Oo nga. Ano ba
Mm.
naman yan? Ay,
I
iniisip ko nga
know.
eh.
Buti sana kung bata-bata
You
tayo.
might be happy nga. Sabi ko, uy, tuwing nakakita ko ng buskers dito sa UK, nakikita ko yung mga
Mm.
buskers. Sabi ko, uy, naku, matutuwa dito si Ash. Magbabusking siya.
Oo, talaga.
Tatapon na ako ng 10 pounds. Kaso coins.
Hindi, okay yan din. Parang dili pa rin.
Wow, pwede. Love it. Ayun. So,
Pero ayun, pero nawawalan ako ng pag-asa actually doon. Siguro parang pinakamalapit ko na lang na pwedeng ma-achieve yun is gumawa na lang ng content. Like music content.
but have you even tried like gusto mo ba banda talaga or would you just like to work sa music industry in general? So for
Hindi, gusto ko
example,
banda talaga.
okay, banda talaga.
Kasi siguro sa ganun ako namulat, yung marami talaga akong kasamang tumugtog. So parang mas
Mm,
enjoy yun for me. Yung
mm,
nagko-collaborate talaga kayo, ganyan.
mm,
Coming
mm.
from an introvert yan ha.
Oo nga, weird.
I know. Weird.
Weird. Weird. Pero
Pero
ano,
yun, yun gusto ko.
ang bababaw ng mga pangarap natin, no? Pero alam mo ba, napapansin ko, yung mga nasa C-suite nga ng mga big tech industries, parang iisa lang din talaga yung mga utak natin. Kasi parang yung iba, nakikita ko, from their CVs, sa LinkedIn, from their CVs as a C-suite, like from probably technology manager, tapos magiging CTO, tapos magiging CEO, mga ganun. Tapos after nun, farmer.
Ah, really?
Alam mo,
Pero
nakikita.
kasi siguro parang it's normal kasi parang most of your life nakaharap ka sa computer, puro mga tao
Mm-mm.
kausap mo. Parang you just want peace and quiet,
Ano,
parang ganun.
oo, kasi kahit sabihin mo na walang hustle na, parang, I mean, walang toxicity, pero yung constantly looking at the requirements, tapos, of course, there will be this, walang politics, it's never about that, but you have to make sure that you're up to date all the time.
Yun nga, oo. Parang lagi kasing may kompetensya ba?
Oo. I mean,
Nakakapagod.
yeah, ganun pa rin naman kasi, of course, yung sa music, for example, it will always evolve, like, madadagdagan ng mga technology and things, so, like,
Mm.
same in farming.
May
Magkakaroon ng
may AI
bagong
na.
processes. Oo, yun, magiging kalaban ng music, industry yun,
Mm.
AI producing
Totoo.
sa farming na magkakaroon ng mga bagong processes and everything. Pero I mean, I don't know, parang kung I don't know,
Feeling ko it's not gonna matter kung masaya ka sa ginagawa mo.
anong
Kasi kunwari ako, like naging musician nga ako. Parang kung super happy talaga ako sa ginagawa ko, hindi ako gano'n ka magwo-worry sa AI. Kasi I know for a fact that I'm gonna produce like quality work talaga kasi I create with emotions unlike with AI. So, yun lang yung feeling ko. But then, as a mahirap,
ayun nga, yun naman ang hindi ka pwede mag-antay because you really need money. So, yun ang naman ang
uh,
benefits ni tech industry. Yun ang benefits ni tech industry is you get a lot of money from doing your job. Pero, ayun nga, it's not that fulfilling. I
pero
saw.
ako sa career ko na 'to bilang hindi ko nga 'to gusto, masasabi ko na parang parang in a way masasabi ko na successful na ako kasi parang hindi ko 'to gusto pero nag-thrive ako, gano'n.
Yeah, you are. Oo, successful ka naman talaga. Ayun, sa mga
Pero
dati naming kumpanya, ewan.
thank you.
Thank you, next. I mean, even so, wala lang kasi tapos ngayon hindi pa ganun parang ang pinaka-stable na job ngayon is to be in the healthcare industry or be a politician and a contractor. Or yung contractor na na rin. At least up to date yung ating podcast, di ba? The politics
Nakakalungkot.
of everything. Hindi lang sa workplace. Pero yun, kasi, pero paano mo mapupush pa rin yung sarili mo? Ano mean, is this normal kaya to have these types of
Feeling ko
existential?
normal. Feeling
You're
ko normal
recording.
siya. Lalo na yung mga ganito ang edad na 30s, 40s.
Mm-mm.
Magkakaroon talaga ng existential crisis sa lahat ng bagay. Yung parang lost ka, hindi mo alam. Kaya parang ako, I stop na lang. Parang,
Kasi lalo na sa Philippines, di ba? Almost like parang meron tayong checklist sa buhay. So, first you need to graduate high school, check. You need to graduate college, check. You need to get a job, check. Get a family, check. Have a kid, check. Ayun yung parang magiging lang yung parang mo as successful
cycle.
na oo. Parang ang hirap. Ang, parang how do you, ayun yung sinasabi ng breaking the cycle. Parang, does it really matter if we have those types of, if we don't hit those goals or like sa work. So for example, you started as a junior, you found your first job, your career, check. And then of course obliged ka
Climb
ng
the ladder. Ganun.
climbing the ladder. Do you really need to go up to a managerial position to be successful? I mean, I know people who has more who earns more money than a manager. So I don't know. Like I know someone. I know someone. Just saying. So well, I mean, um, when do
Siguro
you?
depende talaga yan sa goal mo.
When do you realize that you're like? When will you? When do you real? Oh, I don't know. When will you realize that you're happy in a particular career, though?
You just feel it.
Hindi pa kasi namin na-feel.
Hindi natin to pinag-uusapan kung happy tayo.
We never. Ang inaano lang namin, okay pa yung pera, o pambili ang happiness.
Yun talaga yun
Pambili
eh.
ng happiness.
Yun talaga
You
yun.
need,
Pang survive, pambili
oo,
ng happiness.
kasi
Temporary happiness that is.
temporary happiness. Yeah, we've been trying to like get out of this anyway. Pero
Rat race.
medj mahirap talaga siya, especially when you're used to actually getting this certain amount of money, and then suddenly you will go down and it will be, I know, I'm currently experiencing that.
Paano pag gano'n? Kunwari, na-push mo nga yung pagpa-farm. Kunwari, shrimp farm. Siyempre, mag-start ka pa lang, so maliit pa lang yung kita mo.
I would say, yung sa sa shrimp farming, because ang plano ko dun, it's more of like, I would sell things, yes, pero it would be sa parang a specific, just my own store, or probably online. So it doesn't matter if it don't sell, may pagkain kami, family, because I've got,
So gagawin mo lang siyang side hustle, ganun.
oo, parang ganon. Pero, pero kasi, usually nangyayari kasi ito sa probinsya, diba? So, it doesn't really matter. I mean, isa sa mga ko is, oo, may bahay naman na kasi, so it doesn't really matter. Pero kung nagre-rent ka kasi medyo mahirap, diba? So, yeah.
So kung ma-push yun, kung kunwari, masasabi mo ba na kahit di mo siya full-time
Oo, lalo
work?
na kunwari, hindi ako, wala akong anything na, I mean, kunwari, nakabayad naman ako, kunwari, ng kuryente, nakabayad na, dude, bloody hell, that would be nice.
Talaga, kahit hindi kalakihan.
Tapos nasa ako, tabing dagat lang ako, tapos kung gusto ko swimming lang ako, push. Yay. Tapos
Yun na yung magiging success mo.
Tapos kung dumami yung kung lalaki yung farm ko, kasi of course pag lumaki yung farm mo, proportional yan sa order na nakukuha mo. So ibig sabihin gumaganda yung mo, business mo, then that's the time na nalalaman mo lalo na na mas gumaganda yung ano mo. Pero sa akin sa akin lang naman. Para sa akin, kasi, ang tawag doon, kasi yung business na naiisip ko, it's more on, based on ano yung favorite ng family ko. so, more on, kung ano yung gusto namin kainin and things like that. Para sa akin, ma-providean lang yung sakto na, ma-providean lang yung family ko. Successful na yun. Pero I doubt it pala si Tito pala. Gusto niya sa Manila tumira. So, I don't know.
Bakit ngayon, kung pagpo-provide lang din naman, di hamak na mas makakapag-provide ka sa work mo, hindi ba?
Oo, pero hindi naman ako masaya. Ay, hindi. Hindi, masaya naman ako. I'm happy naman sa job ko sa IT.
Pero not as fulfilled.
Oo. Ewan ko, parang, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung difference niya. Kasi katulad nung sa plants ko, iba yung difference nung nabibigay sa akin nung pag nakikita kong nagkakaroon ng bagong leaf yung plant ko.
Talaga?
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kaya siguro tuntua din ako sa mga simulator games. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Parang gusto mo may alagaan. Tapos
siguro,
nag-grow, ganun.
Baka anak lang ang kailangan ko.
Parang gastos yun, girl.
Gastos eh. Iba parang,
Hindi mo pwedeng ibenta yan pag lumaki-laki, mga ganun.
28 days.
Diba?
28 days. Di ba yun?
Hindi siya pagkakakitaan.
Tulad ng manok. Tulad ng manok, nakakainis. Pero yun, kaya nga parang nung nakita ko yung crayfish industry, sa totoo ako. Kasi parang nagiging hindi ko sure kung nagiging masyadong madaming tao na nag-aalaga ng crayfish. Pero sinasabi ko kay Mark.
Talaga? Dito?
Oh. Yung Australian red claw crayfish.
Talaga?
Lalaki niya ganyan siya kalalaki. Parang siyang lobster, no?
Oo.
Ayun lang. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, parang gusto ko lang talaga ng, lumayo muna sa tech.
Muna?
Hindi, gusto ko lumayo sa tech.
Umay na, no? Kasi parang half of your life.
Or, to work in a tech industry, pero that involves, like, farming. Or that involves, like, the things that I wanted to do.
Pwede, oo.
Ang hirap humanap, though.
Kasi parang ibang qualifications yun, girl.
Oo, para may mga,
lumabo ako.
Oo, lumabo ka doon. Kinukuha ka na nung, kalabuan.
Oo nga, hindi. Naging blurred na rin ako. Ayan.
Naging blurred na rin. Ay, no. Tapos may kita mo yung mga ito nga yung sinasabi ko before, nakakakita ako ng mga friends ko na na parang nagkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang business. Tapos humiwalay na sila sa 9 to 5 rat race. Tapos na lang sila. Tapos I mean, I understand na pag nag-business ka, siya.
Mas mahaba yung oras na
Mas mahaba yung oras na tatrabahuin mo. Pero, I mean, if you're working for something that you could give to other people, you could give to your other relatives or friends. Like, for example, like, pwede mo silang isama para hindi na kayo maging empleyado. Alam mo yun? Parang nakakatawa. Sana, maging ganun soon. Sana maging ganun soon.
Positive ka dyan? Like, feeling mo ma-achieve mo pa yun?
I think so. I hope so. I don't see myself working sa tech industries ng mga 45 years old na ako. I don't see myself. Oh my gosh, Danica, that'll be just 9 years. Oh, nalaman yung
Fast
age ko.
forward. Season 20, episode 1.
Hey!
So, balikan po natin
I'm
yung
Danica.
episode.
Senior pa rin. Senior.
Bad trip.
Ang pangit. Ang pangit. Ang pangit naman magbitaw dito sa podcast. Tapos dito yung may digital footprint yung mga pinagsasabi ko.
Pero alam mo, okay din yun. Like, pwede natin balikan talaga na, okay, di ba
Ah.
napag-usapan natin ito ng
The
ganitong
9 years
episode?
ago.
Oo. So,
check
na,
up. Check natin to. This is
Oo. Para magiging diary, gano'n.
Pero have we considered like trying to break out from it? Ikaw, nakita kita. I mean, you've been really trying to do contents online.
Mahirap, girl.
Ang hirap, no? Parang, I mean, this is it, guys. Please help us. Yung podcast namin. This is it, probably.
Pinaka-challenge kasi dun maging consistent. Kasi lalo na nagsa-start ka pa lang, so wala ka pa talagang makukuha out of it. Alam mo yun?
Yun yung napansin ko kasi lalo ako, 'di ba? I've started like a gaming channel. Tapos I mean at start nagiging consistent ako. Tapos ang aga-aga kong gumigising just to edit videos. Tapos napapansin ng asawa ko yun. Sabi niya, aga-aga mo gumigising. Ikaw mamroblema niyan. Parang sinasabi, pinapagalitan niya ako. Magiging problem daw sa health ko yan. Pag onti na lang yung tulog ko. Ganun. Tapos sabi ko, kasi hindi naman ako makatulog agad ng 9 o'clock na gusto niya. Pero Oo. Tapos yun, parang tapos lalo ngayon, job hunting phase ko. Hindi ako basta-basta makapag-edit. Tapos addict yung mga kalaro mo. Parang mga 3 oras ang laro namin. Tapos pagdating ng asawa ko, of course, I have to be there. That's why, ang naisip ko nga lang talaga na pinaka-goal, pinaka-solution is bumili ako ng computer ko. Like PC, my own PC. Dito ko ilalagay. Tapos yung laptop ko, dadaling ko doon so I can edit videos. Pero ayun, so for now, hindi talaga ako makakapag-edit consistently. Ano pa ba? I mean, nag-try ako, yung sa plants ko, parang nakakatakot kasi silang putulan. Alam mo yung my heart. My heart pagpuput. Hindi, gusto ko kasi magbenta. Kaso lang nawala na yung hype about sa plants. Nawala na rin yung hype about sa plants. So, hindi na rin ako makakapag. Maglagay ka ng katol.
So, going back ng uwi na
Pero hindi ka ba nahihiya pag kunwari, pagtatanungin ka, like, kasi, like, yung mga interview ko, parang lagi nila akong tinatanong na, how do you see yourself, like, 5 years from now, mga ganun. Tapos ako kasi, alam mo yung wala talaga akong naiisip na ayokong maging lead.
Tinatanong pa rin sa'yo yan?
Tinatanong pa rin sa akin, napaka-cliche na question.
Okay.
May
nagtanong, actually, dalawa. I can see myself replacing you, mga ganun.
Oh, shish, no.
Asshole.
Gago. Maging threat pa ako, hindi na ako tinanggap. Hindi ko alam. Lagi kong sinasagot. Nagiging honest ako. Honest na may pagka-lie. Lagi ko sinasagot.
Ano sinasabi mo?
Sinasabi ko na, I don't see myself leading a team. But I see myself ang tawag doon parang being the go-to person like when it comes to like security testing, performance testing, yung mga ganon. Sabi ko, because I really would like to learn more about them. Ganon.
Parang SME ganon.
Parang consultant, mga ganon. Ikaw? Kunwari tanongin ka na ganun. Pero syempre, sa isip ko, 5 years from now, I see myself thinking about letting go of this career. Yeah, going back to the Philippines and just living a simple life.
There.
Charot lang. Depende pa rin sa aking lovely husband. Ikaw.
Ako pag dati nung tinatanong ako niyan, ang lagi ko lang sagot is mag-excel talaga sa automation, yun lang.
Ah.
Yun, maging proficient talaga ako as an automation tester, gano'n.
Ano yun? Totoo yun?
Totoo naman,
Wow! I love
At
it.
least sa career na 'to, at least sa industry na 'to. Oo. Hindi life in general.
Ako pala talaga yung ano. Ako lang pala talaga yung nagkakaroon ng existential crisis as of now.
Ay hindi, wala lang akong choice.
I know, nabuhay na tayo sa lifestyle. Wait lang.
Bless
Nabuhay,
you.
nabuhay na tayo sa lifestyle na na magandang sahod. Lifestyle na pinapasahod
Eh,
ng
tsaka parang yung risk appetite is like hindi na rin kagaya dati na
wala nang yung drive mo.
mm,
Oo,
parang
kasi
gusto mo na
madami
lang
ng
steady life.
dependent sa'yo eh.
Maraming ano?
Madami ng dependent. Well, ikaw walang si Midnight. si
Oh,
Midnight.
good.
Si Midnight. Yun,
Ako, ang concern ko lang is like, alam mo yun, if things go south talaga sa sa career ko, wala gago. Walang fallback.
alam po. Yun nga, yun iniisip ko. Parang, ito yung, katulad nito, yung nangyari sa akin. Naging redundant ako. Parang iniisip ko na, why am I even like really depending on this job? I mean, we could be doing something else. I mean, pero iniisip ko, do I have a time to actually do that? I mean, parang minsan nga yung isang refinement session, parang sinisira na niya yung buong araw ko minsan. Parang isang refinement session is parang isang buong araw ng masakit yung may migraine na.
Dami.
Oh, depende pa sa yun, sa depth ng refinement session. May mga refinement session na kalma lang naman. Pero may mga refinement session na tipong nagiging kick-off meeting na nagiging nag-brainstorm talaga kami. So, yun, medyo mabigat siya. Pero ayun.
So, nag-sustain na lang talaga tayo dito to
I don't
survive.
know.
Security.
Yeah, oo,
Security
security.
sa'yo.
I don't know. Kasi hindi siya secure. It's not secure. Kaya nga nung tinatanong nila ako, why, parang sabi ko, kasi, kunwari lang, diba? Sabi ko, pinipili ko talaga yung company ko. Kasi after na nangyari sa akin, gusto ko, yung company na, sa akin, is yung kumbaga stable. Hindi yung,
Kaso, how would you know daw? Kasi, hindi pwedeng magbago yung economy or yung decision.
ayun nga, kaya yung pinipili ko, it's either, kunwari, yung transportation, yung mga pagdadala ng gamit, na pagdadala ng mga product, or ng mga produce from UK to Europe, Europe to UK. So, sure yun, merong market all the time for that. Kasi yung last time ko, of course, digital surveys po, hindi naman siya, it's not risky. It's not even like almost an essential type of technology. Yung, ang ko is parang, I need to look for a job that is like almost essential. So, itong mga ina-applyan ko, katulad ng isa, public sector siya. So, government yung gumagamit nung ang tawag dito, ng application. So, for me, oh my gosh, yes, please. Tapos, yung isa naman, ginagamit siya for medical technology, for research, mga AstraZeneca. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, yes. Yung mga yon. So, pero, ayun, like I said, I don't want to stay in this job forever. I mean, I don't see myself working here on my sana 40s, pero that will be like 4 years na in 4 years. I don't know.
Grabe, babalikan talaga natin to.
Like 45 kasi. Kaya nga
Like, alam mo
nag-adjust
yung isa sa magiging season natin dun is i-review natin yung mga first episodes ng podcast na to.
Cringe. Wow, kala mo naman.
Like parang may nag-progress pa, ganyan. Oh my God,
that would
na-achieve
be
ba yung mga
nice.
gusto?
That would be nice. That would be nice. Ayun, so far parang parang this current episode is more of me ranting rather than Ash. Mas madami akong nasabi. Parang lagi naman ako yung madami nasasabi, bitch
Oo,
to.
girl ko talagang masabing madami
Hayop
na
siya. Parang sabi ko kanina pa, hindi ko pa alam paano simulan yung episode.
Ako din, iniisip ko, paano sisimulan ko?
Ay
Paano ang
pala,
i-entrada namin?
puro kuda. So, ito na lang siguro yung lesson natin sa mga medyo maaga-aga pa, mga nasa 20s pa, mga 25. So, kung may
Take a
drive,
risk.
take a risk, like, kunwari, makaisip ko yan ng idea, ng business. I mean, I'm sure nababasa nyo na ito sa social media. Take a risk, I mean, or do it same time, like, do it in parallel with your job. I mean, you
Kasi
guys.
marami ka pang energy nun.
True. I mean, don't think about. I mean, I get it. It's nice to go out and hang out with your friends. I get it. Yes, it's nice. You can do that occasionally. You don't have to do that every night. You don't have to do that every Friday. Because ewan ko, just avoid probably getting into the loop of us like having these career existential crisis and things that we were thinking about back then that we didn't do. Kasi wala lang. Wala lang
Mahirap
kasi
magka-what if.
yes, both sa love and sa career. Charot. Kaya nga itong podcast namin is nakasulat nga is based on Tita's experience. Kasi nga, we're Titas and we don't want you to do things that we did. Or if we did something good, then we want you to. No, parang we want you to know why we did it and what's the positive of doing it. Yun lang naman. That's the reason why we made this podcast. And also,
Actually.
money. Come on, guys. Subscribe,
Huwag na tayo
share. Ito na yun
statement
para hindi na rin kami nag-existential crisis. O, diba?
para mas makapag-produce ng quality content.
Para kahit mga twice a week na kami mag-post. Char! Diba? Para fun, no? Diba? Wala lang. Para sa akin, yun lang. Sana hindi makita to. Mga naman ng mga boss ko. Mga taga-UK naman. They don't... Oh no, nag-English ako.
May AI.
Oh, shush.
Translate. Translate this podcast.
Yan
Paano mo ganun,
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kaya takpan mo yung pangalan ko pag
Oo.
Next time, makamaskara na. Isa sa mga maskara dyan magagamit ko. Hello, ako si
Yung gaya kay Rio, yung nakaiba yung grabe effort talaga yung edit, girl. Kasi isa lang yung audio. Tingin.
Hindi, ang gawin mo lang doon pag kinakat ko yung specific na tapos ina-isolate ko yung
magsasabay-sabay tayo.
Ay, shucks, oo nga.
Kaya nga sabi ko, di ba mas maganda talaga hiwa-hiwalay tayo ng audio sa recording para mas madali.
Oo nga. Ayun. This is more of like an encouragement. Tapos, so for us naman na nasa 30 plus na, us being hopeful na sana kahit papaano is magkaroon pa rin ng encouragement sa part nyo, both on like the 20s and 30s. We can still do this.
Gawin nyo na lang kami example.
You can still do this. We can still do this. Magbabalikan natin to after 5 years naman or mga 6 years naman. Please. Let's see if we've changed something or nagkaroon man ng ng any
progress or what.
Progress about dito sa career existential crisis na nararamdaman ng isa't isa. Pero ayun. Ay! Sorry. Yung mouse ko nandun na naman sa mukha mo.
Oh my God. Minsan nandito.
May tatlong tuldok ka dun.
Oo.
Very quick lang. Ayun. Natatawa ako. Ayun. So, thanks for watching. Thanks sa
Sana may
pakikinig.
napulot kayo.
Thanks sa pakikinig sa pag-rant namin. Parang na kami nag-brainstorm kung bakit namin gusto ng business. Pero yeah. Just saying. Ang asawa ko, yung asawa ko is 60 plus years old. And yung anak niya is same age as me. And they were thinking a business. Yung anak niya, yung pinaka-driver, yung drive na nagkakaroon ng career existential crisis. He wanted to get out of the rat race.
Oh.
And he wanted Rob to get out of the rat race as well, which is what I wanted. Kasi yun nga. Kasi syempre, he's getting old and we wanted him to have a good retirement. So yun lang. So
Positive
it's
tayo
not,
dyan. Let's
yeah, so
manifest it.
it's not negative at all. Yes, it could happen for us 30 plus. So ayun, tatapusin na namin for real itong podcast. May
Thank you
pahabol
so
pa
much.
ako. Yes, please
Oo.
subscribe and share and watch. Oh my gosh, meron na naman tuldok si Ash. Napindot ko na naman mali
My
yung...
God.
I'm so sorry. Ayun. Thanks for watching. See us again
Thanks.
next Friday. Ooh, alam ko na yung
Yes.
next Friday. Alright.
Alright. Bye.
Bye. Oh.